Meaning of empiricism.
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 Empiricism. Empiricism is an epistemological philosophy that emphasizes experience and observation as the primary sources of knowledge. It posits that knowledge can only be acquired through sensory experience and that ideas are derived from our experiences in the world. Empiricism holds that there is no innate knowledge or ideas in the mind, and that all knowledge is derived from experience. In essence, it is a rejection of innate ideas and a belief that we acquire knowledge through sensory perception and experience.